Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will be showing you how to download and install fonts for Photoshop. So without much further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do is head to your browser, then you search for free fonts. Yeah, you can just select this first one here, 1001 free fonts. Then you head over to the font that you want to download. Let's say this is the font you want to download, this art bureau here. So all you have to do is click on download, then your browser should download a particular font for you. So what you want to do now is head to where the font is being downloaded to. Let me search for that now. So just open up the folder where the font is being downloaded to. Yeah, this is it here. And you have to do now is to extract the file. Once you've extracted it, then you can open it up. So this is the font right here. All you have to do now is to copy or cut, whichever way you want to do it. Then you head to your PC, local disk, then Windows, then fonts, and you paste it over there. As you can see, it says installing art brush. So once you've done that, you've successfully installed your font into your PC. So you can now head over to your Photoshop or any application you want to use your fonts. Then you type something out. Let's just type something here. Okay, let's just say install font. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so can now head over to our font here, then we search for the font we just downloaded, which is this, as you can see, art bureau regular. So there you go. That's how you download and install new fonts on your PC. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.